easily breaks up ground meat in pans for even cooking and doesn't trap uncooked meat. 3 wide blades are perfect for stirring and safe for non-stick cookware and easily reach the corners of pans. Silicone blade is great for scraping edges and transferring food out of pans. Durable construction is tough enough to break apart partially defrosted meat, frozen concentrates, and more. Features a soft, comfortable, non-slip handle, and is dishwasher safe. Whether you're making bolognaise sauce or shepherd's pie, cooking ground meat doesn't have to be a chore. The OXO Good Grips ground meat chopper and turner features 3 wide blades designed for chopping stirring ground meat while cooking. One blade has a silicone edge that is perfect for scraping pan edges and transferring food out of pans. The rounded shape of the blades allows them to easily reach in corners of pans and the space between the blades helps prevent uncooked meat from getting trapped. The soft, comfortable handle is non-slip for control while cooking. The durable construction is tough enough to break apart partially defrosted meat and the materials are safe for non-stick cookware and dishwasher safe. The ground meat chopper and turner is also great for frozen juice concentrate, tomato sauce, crumb topping and more. Top reviews from the United States. Yes, you need one. I think I have always been intimidated by cooking with ground beef. I am that mom who forgets to leave it out overnight to defrost. I am that mom who pulls out the meat from my freezer an hour prior to cooking dinner, or tossing it in the microwave to defrost. But anyone who cooks like this knows how it is still frozen on the inside and unevenly cooks the edges. So when we stick it in the pan, we spend countless minutes scraping the cooked stuff off one side, flip the meat, scrape off the cooked meat, repeat 1,000 times. Then wrestle and stab at the long strips of meat on the pan to try and get them to cook evenly and get a good texture, a losing battle. Let me tell you about this simple tool and how it has changed me. Like a master chef, I can now chop up the meat. Yes, it still has to do the little cook one side, flip, dance, but now it cuts so much time out of the equation. Those little strips of unmanageable meat are now history and I get perfectly, evenly cooked, ground beef each time. When I do remember to defrost it hours before, cooking the meat is a snap. I'm really impressed with this little tool and how much it has changed my mentality when cooking ground beef. I now cook ground beef 2 to 3 times as often. It is no longer an intimidating task that will take an hour.